Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a hero section layout using custom shapes in Photoshop. First, I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas for a website hero section. Then I draw a large rounded rectangle custom shape as the background base. Now I add an angled custom shape overlay to create visual interest. After that, I place a circular custom shape for a profile or product image. Next, I align everything using smart guides for clean structure. Now I add headline text on the left side with strong hierarchy. Then I place a button shape using rounded rectangles. After that, I add subtle shadows to lift elements. Now I check spacing so nothing feels crowded. Then I adjust colors to keep focus on the headline.